was sent this mattress vacuum cleaner and asked to give my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's check it out. I've had one of these before. I really like them. If you have pets, this is the best thing going, especially if you have cats. Cats like to sit up on a dust ruffle or on a couch or on a bed that has a comforter on the top and leave hair all over the place. Hair that you can't even see with the naked eye. These things will pick it up and clean it up. So it's a very simple operation. You're just going to plug this in the wall and you're going to push that button. That's really all you're going to do. As you're using this here, you push down on it and it encounters the mattress or the furniture or whatever you're cleaning. Once this is pushed in, these lights in here are going to shine an LED down to help disinfect and kill bacteria. This is going to spin and it's going to catch all the dust and all the dust mites and all the hair and crud and throw that into the vacuum as it's sucking through this same portion here too. It's all going to go into this canister. You don't need to have any filters or anything because it's just something that you can just remove here, squeeze here, and then dump this out and empty it. Now you can see some crud in there because I've already done some test runs with it and it's a pretty amazing device. And I'm going to do another one with you where we pull up some cat hair and you're going to be amazed at how much it gets. But this final screen here prevents any final dust coming through the system. You can remove this here to clean this out further. There is a filter down in the center of it. You can see that right down in there, like a little paper air filter in there. But overall, you can just let this be for the most part because you're not going to need to clean this very often. If you do want to remove it, just plugs out and you could maybe clean this with another vacuum cleaner or below it with some compressed air. Just sets right inside there. And then they've got O-rings throughout here to keep everything nice and sealed. Now, the way this is attached to the unit is with some magnets. You've got a metal piece here and here, and there's some magnets here. And all you got to do is just slide it in here and it holds it right in place. It's pretty amazing how it works. And let's go test it and see how it does. All right, so I'm gonna show you a quick demo here how this works, and I'll just show you that we're starting out with a clean canister. You know, there's a little dust in there, but there's no hair or anything in there. Just want you to know that I'm not starting with a full dirty canister. And then I'm just gonna clean this. Now, this is not a dirty mattress by any means. There's not any visible hair here. But after we go through and vacuum of this, let's check out and see what that canister looks like. See how good this picks up. All right, so I just did this half here, and that was real time. I haven't cut the film or anything. Slide this off, and now look at all the hair in there. It's amazing how much this thing picks up. I mean, that was on that couch, and there's a ton of dust in there too. See all those dust mites and everything that's on that mattress as well. So yeah, I'm just amazed at how well this thing cleans. And you just keep going over and over it till you get an empty canister. That'd be great, but it takes a while. This is a pretty normal looking bedspread here, but there's a lot of cat hair that you just can't see. And a device like this does a great job to clean that up. And then, like I said, with the disinfecting capability here, does a great job to kill bacteria and things too. So hey, I hope that helps learn a little bit more about this vacuum and I hope this information was useful to you. Have a great day.